ECDL Advanced, Lesson 45, Linking to a Word document. A spreadsheet created in Excel can be copied into a Word document. This can be done in such a way that the data is linked to the workbook it originated from, and any changes to the original workbook are reflected in the Word document. We're going to start by opening the workbook Sales, which you'll see on the screen now. This workbook contains a spreadsheet and a chart that are to be linked to a word processed document. So let's start the application Word. In a new document, enter the text, "This data is linked back to the sales workbook." Insert a blank line, that's 2 presses of Enter. Then enter the text, "Changes made will be reflected in this document," and then press Enter. Switch back to the sales workbook in Excel. On the sales sheet, select and copy the range B4 to E7. Next, switch to the document in Word. Place the cursor between the 2 paragraphs, and then select Paste Special from the Paste drop-down. So on Home, Paste drop-down, Paste Special. In the Paste Special dialog box, select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. That'll be from the As box. Then select the Paste Link option on the left-hand side, and then click OK to paste the range as a linked object. Next, switch back to Excel, click on the chart and copy it. Switch back to Word, move the cursor to the end of the document and select Paste Special from the Paste drop-down. So again in Home, Paste drop-down, Paste Special. As before, select from the As box the Microsoft Excel chart object, then select the paste link, and then click OK. The chart is now linked back to the worksheet. Note that the May sales for the North region, that's this one here, is £150,000. Save the Word document as linked, and then close it. Switch to Excel. Let's change the May sales figure for the North to 130,000 and save the worksheet using the same name. Switch back to Word and open the document linked. Click Yes to update the links in the document. We will now see that both the cell in the table and the chart have been updated to show £130,000. Save the document and close the Word application. In Excel, change the £130,000 back to 150,000. Save the workbook and then close it. As an aside, to make changes to the information from a linked document, for example in Word, double-click to display the source data in Excel. Okay, that's the end of the current lesson. The next lesson will be lesson 46, which will be on the topic of hyperlinks. and I look forward to seeing you then.